everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So our today's video is about how to introduce addition or subtraction. Whenever I want to introduce any new concept to my kids, I always prefer to give a proper visualization of that concept, like what actually subtraction means or what addition means in real life. Before going to notebook worksheets, I choose some activity to make child understand about the particular topic or concept. So for the same visualization, I have prepared this activity. But before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. So to prepare this activity, I have taken a cardboard and cut down in circle shape and prepared a body shape as well. To make this activity a bit interesting, I have made a smiley face and drawn a rectangular box here as well. Now I have secured the complete activity using a transparent tape. So to start this activity, I'll take help of a marker, and with the help of this marker, I would write a simple equation here. For example, if I write 2 plus 1 equals 2, right? Now I will ask the child to take this page and clip it over the head of the smiley face as per the number written here. So first number is 2. So the child will take first one page, 1, and the another page and count it as 2. Now child will see that this is a addition sign and the next number is 1. So the child will add one more page here. So take this one page and clip it here like this. Now the child will count these ones, 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So child will write 3 here as 3 becomes the answer. I have secured the whole activity with the transparent tape, so I can use this over and over again. So I will wipe it using a cloth and then I can use it for the subtraction pattern as well. I can introduce the subtraction using the same activity. So if I write 3 minus 1 equals 2, then the child would see that there are 3 pets. Now the sign is of subtraction, right? And we have to subtract 1. So child will remove one page from here. Now how many pets are remaining? So the child will count 1, 2, right? So child will write here 2 as 2 becomes our answer like this. So like this, child is supposed to do this activity. Trust me, this is a fantabulous activity for the child to visualize the concept of addition and subtraction. When I had given this to Amish, he did this very interestingly, and now when he do the same in notebook, he feels quite confident as he understood the concept. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.